Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to track a Remitly transfer using the access number. Okay, let's get started. Now, if you're doing it online using the web browser, this is steps you need to take. 1. Log into your Remitly account and sign into your profile. Then click on transfer history from the top menu. Now locate the transfer you want to track using the access number or transfer history or transaction ID. Next, select the transfer and click on View Receipt. Now look for the transaction ID or reference number on the receipt. Once you've found it, you have to enter the transaction ID on Remitly's website to track the transfer status. You can also contact Remitly's customer support and provide the transaction ID to inquire about the transfer status. Lastly, if the recipient has a Remitly account, they can log in and track the transfer status using the transaction ID. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind that Remitly tracking features may vary depending on the transfer type, destination, and other factors. Thanks for watching.